Start.
Good afternoon, class. How are you? Yes, I'm doing good. I'm happy to have sit down. One of our councilman here. Over school, and I was on board. So, friends of me, go out or yes, now we shall see with geometry and measurement. And I'm saying, for so many part of what they are, we issue a measure. And I have about said, 9 years is we. How fast airport that is coming to the fast airport so we are mass. Almost here angles, and you create 30 degrees angle, and you're constructing. And I'm a chair who say, "Who come here to suppose a demo or what? You're also doing as a so to a Busuana as a before. The Busu on my and one, and you know, the product can come out, it was not a it's more expert one part even if one can say what and you just say as we can no me mo si baba sir and then you are just playing yourself on here ba be check bi kakra aka measurement and the angle so na ade bi a yesu na yɛ ti ase ɔno di di yɛ ju na it will na ko nya na yɛ sam and bra yɛ ko fa tell ni ba ha ɔno bɛ kyerɛ yɛ sɛ nya ɔno ni ma ɔno kyerɛ sɛ ɔdi measurement 40 so when I say 40 cm they will say no I dey you come here no I measure I no 20 we be 40 and na asofo enti ene dey drop you so over there walk up me mali e yo kasa o be o fa so be e mu ya na topic a ye kire no e angles so like see line Asia na equity angle b we were 30 degrees angle and 45 degrees angle and I have a draw isometric oblique and I want the photographic but the concept is angles and the measurement. But I don't know, which one we them second to the what the measurement
Measurement in the mind is one as a the Yakubu and Fatima. In the opinion, we go as a young force, and others want it. This is the measurement. We can measurement now. We 2 feet, it is 24. Interior open 24, that measurement. In the 24, now we try 24 and this is the measurement. What must it? Yes. And in the measurement, one of us will be we need the measurement, we need to look at it. We put it on the schedule. So, sure, we go first. The same problem to do so. I don't know. We are to get in here or connected. And I will soon him one go home. So, I do the same way to whom or the first of the job or the first of the relationship in the spirit. I can we have a problem with what is really how sana say or triangle maybe how we don't spread because a dream you can see you do to define as a measurement in a triangle so yeah capital from the really use for triangle but we can be a square say square send the square measurement.
oh my goodness there is a measurement oh say yesterday we measured square almost square any wohwɛ angle bi wɔ ha no say sɛ wohwɛ aha na ɛyɛ 90 degrees ana yɛ saa sɛ ɔno nso wotwa 90 wotwa ne sei na nso wotwa 45 a sei no wotwa no how you can see that sei no wotwa no wɔnyɛ no 45 degrees na wotu yɛ na kodo yɛfa ne sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotwa dua bi te sɛ 60 feet but wonyɛ dua bi a ɛwɔ sɛ 60 feet nti wokonya baako na baako ɛyɛ 35 feet na wɔ sɛ wohwɛ wopɛ bi ɛde ɛsɔ so woyɛ dɛn ɛdwan dua How do you join your use?
People have an example, but I didn't know the actions now with my
Sure.
If you often there 50, then I went about we are also 30, then when about 20, then when about 10. At the 10 now, there's a pro 10, so I can't listen to 20 and see me. You will be joining quite. Until I know, we are 20, abɛka 10 ne yɛka si ɛfiri bi camp ne de dua no kɔhyɛ camp no ne yɛ mmeɛma by 15 bɛyɛ 5 minutes 10 minutes yɛbɛyɛ no 30 feet no ɔdɛ
Nti Bra Kujo sɛ measurement nka ho a wobɛdi ehunu sɛ dua no mentwa wei na mentwa ebi wɔ no ɔbɛba ebi wɔ adaka na bɛto sɛ woyɛ wohu sɛ kɔna bi ɛwɔ hɔ no ne nyinaa no yɛ measurement
na ne yɛ measurement ɛne sukuu
okay eti so wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ obi a ankɔ ne deɛ mu wokɔ tiki measurement bi a wɔyɛ ebi adwuma ankɔ na ɛmu
bi particular na ebi si
but wɔte ebi sɛ ɛda sɛ ebi esi pɛn nti ebi so da na sɛ nipa no nso akɔfa no nsua adeɛ mu measurement a ɔhaw bɛyɛ de betumi ayɛde abrɛ no
adwuma no ntumi
okay
adwuma no kɔ particular ɔne bɛhyɛ no mu adwuma no ntumi adwuma no sɛ mass obi etwi ne tenten asan kyerɛ firi tenten mu oyi yɛ firi ansa na wɔnya correct measurement
odi bi ka ayɛ ti bi so
very good odi bɛ kam wati yɛ firi ayɛ shop a abɛkyerɛkyerɛ obi no so ama wate ase
and you did that for a shop rather normal line and I'm so that we will learn the concept of geometry and measurement. Like if so okay at the shop like a koya and can machines in there by workshop only now yeah you know you don't also there or say actually because machines are all there so and they are not ground it's a part you got to your one I to the me they are self power master now you to up yeah about to share and that you also about everything adwuma na ɛba ayɛ sɛ mogya da anim sei na monyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ kama sei na yɛnso nti ne baabi yɛnsua adeɛ adwuma na monya ayɛ na ba bɛ na ɔfa kɔ ɛyɛ nsa
ɔda ayɛ nso ɛyɛ how a intense na ɛbɛtumi akyɛ aka ɛna ɛbɛda nso ɛtumi bɛsi video ɛna ɛsi no gu so a ntumi kɔda no ɛna nso ntumi kɔ intense no so ɛnti na ɛtɔ da tɔbɔ da nso ɔmo yɛ bɛsi ɛna ɛbi akɔ so mo ɔmo so nti ɛfi tɔ so na ɛna ɛna asase na ɛna
nti ne nyinaa ɔyɛ calculation bi wɔ
calculation mu ebi ankyɛnse no yɛ 20 nti a wɔbɛfa so a nkyɛnse no wɔbɛso ɛdan nti wɔ so mbɛbi hyɛ bi yɛ first calculation no ayɛ no bi nso yɛ measurement yɛ so de measurement to so na nso de nkyɛnse bi ɛkakra kɔ mu yɛ 20 the 20 no yɛ 20 dodo wɔ sɛn ɛna bɛtumi anya ansa na bɛtumi abɔ nkyɛnse no akɔfa dan so
measurement ni calculation ni yɛ so ne easy ɛsɛ no mass ni a wɔde yɛ abɛbɛ wɔ baabi a yɛ sɛ
abɛto wɔ yɛ sɛ ɛne mass na wɔ ne mass no ne mass measurement wɔ si
bɛti ɛno no sɛ baako ne sɛ yɛn a yɛkɔ sukuu no ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn a wɔabɔ ne wɔn a wɔn nyankɔ sukuu wɔn mu nim adeɛ no ɛna wɔn sua yɛ adwuma sa efutu wɔ adwuma bɛyɛ
o wɔnyɛ saa me a megyina wɔn tuma dɔɔso bi sukuu gye ne so aka ne kwan kyerɛ bae asɛm ka wɔ ebi ɔfis ano bɛkɔ ebi ebi kɔ akɔkɔ asɛ ebi kɔ ebi ɔntumi kɔ babetumi nya so because for adwuma no nti ebi akɔ ne yɛ so bɛyɛ ebi tumi nya so obi bus ɔtumi aba ha bɛbi ama ɔfis ya because for nka tutu yɛ nti wɔn so mo ayɛ fi ba to gyina mu ne mbɔtae ɛdi nti ɛyɛ adwuma nti obi a master card ko nyɛ wɔ ɔtumi afiri mu firi shop sɛ paade ɔdi bɛhwɛ no mu bi saa akɔ nyina mi nyɛ nti mo ti de ba ne office nipa mi de mbɛ condition bɔ baako kɔ office condition bɔ nti ɛnyɛ sɛ ebi ɔdi mu adeɛ no koraa ansa ɔtumi ɛdi ɔdi mu adeɛ no na ebi hyɛ no wɔ so ɔtumi ɛdi bi asɛn bi a wakɔ school kora pɛ mu yɛwɔ classmate bebree ɛna ɔkɔ school bebree na wɔ akyire Those who do it, do not do it. The next week is to me, my dear. I just ran a year, a come. My dear, go with you. I was saying, sweet, my papa, so who's not there, who's going to be shifted. The next week was to, as soon as I said, I want to put in the if you go to the my dear, as I'm going here, it goes in my dear. So, come. Mama me am fata me am fata. Ebi a to ru be do ko ka so ke ti do ni fi aso a do me ni e de juma ni. Bo mi aso la ka ke te ko mi sa so mi hwe be ko bo. E do ka ni na ba ba o ti na da to mi jen first. Ansa sa da ni do. Tu su ni ni ya. Ya ni ti so ko do ni bo.
Many ways in that Casano, maybe should be difficult. So when people go to school, we might get pan. So no matter eight opinions. People now so they move the Juma was like a home sphere. And also almost or including the emerald. People now also normally wait also wait to fire and apple of full because of the Juma. Maybe I could be back for who is up on my down for now, a child of the ground. Teachers, if the grandpa being more. Ah, but what's happened to you? Any cabinets of the ground, we have cabinets there. Go for Libya, but come back to the world. Not only. We are discussing it. You mentioned now, we have a support to school, so that is out. You have to get us. When they meet you, they very say, you're better for. Be not shop. That would be after. Send your way at least 1 hour here. It will be up. Yes, the rest of us are down.
The week you are not done. Yes, I'm going.
Consider and say a part. You move the best society in how you move human. This year, and you said, yeah, a dog pop, you shall not pop. And Baba, you so many of which you say, or no, so more friend of those who after the man. Actually, up on me, I saw so they can have fun. Not really. Every now and say, your friend, oh, yes, so I'm probably and I'm afraid I said, no, Messi, na the second Messi in the baby. Robert says, oh, yeah, of course, this is also fusing this or length in him, in that day measurement. Ah, you will be a measurement. One be a which be Messi follow what they get a friend's gauge, spirit level. Most of you is that no one I know a child with the process. Oh, it's true. Yeah, sure. Says what I suggest. Now, for in our city. How many of us, how many of us didn't walk to school this morning? How many of us didn't walk to school this morning? The morning and a year by and time to school. I want one of you to come and demonstrate how we work. Yes, you are going to check fast for an Hello. About how much is an auntie? That's it. Yeah, listen, we got actually an auntie. Yes, it's an auntie. Yes. Okay, go. Work. Class, is that true? Is that true? Yes. So is that how you also work? Are you sure? Yes. Come and demonstrate to us. The one said no. Your name? Eh? Ah, are you a boy? You are not a boy. Since when? Are you a boy? Ah, no, I'm talking to you. You mentioned here, but you are not a boy. You are telling me a boy job. Oh, who said a boy? Are you the one? No, I hear Patrick speaking. Okay, boy, you come and demonstrate. Let's watch so carefully. It's very, very, very important. Okay, who has been working like this? If the person wanted to go to the house and the person will be going like this or like this, who has ever seen someone walk like that? Okay, sit down. Who ever seen something like that before? So what can we say? If this is your school, me also for the junior high school, and this is say your house, and your house is let's say is at point B. If you want to walk to your house, you walk like this and go like that. Not going to the house, right? Does that work? So how many minutes will it take you to walk like this, waste a lot of time on the road before getting to the house? Meanwhile, you can just walk straight to the house. And yes, sir. But you are walking right straight to the house instead of maneuvering and going past. Meanwhile, you want to get to the house as early as possible. Get your house chores done so that you can be home in the evening. So that tomorrow will not be in problem. You will not be in trouble. Now, it means we walk in a straight line. Say straight line. Straight line. Straight line. Straight line. When you were in class 6, St. Morgan taught you about lines. Do you remember? What kind? What kind? Because I've been there a couple of times to watch and to observe St. Morgan teach you. And I always engage with them and say, over in the junior high school, they are going to meet the same thing. Okay. And I told you to draw a straight line. Either on a line or draw an NTCC and an NTCC. Either on a line or draw an NTCC. And now, okay, let's call this C. Let's call this one C and this one B. Well, I said, anyway, Japan. I said A. A is a point. Yes, S A D. And how did you draw the line? We had them draw a line. We had them draw a line. Yes. Yes, Solomon. Yes, King Solomon. Yes. How did he draw the line? We had them draw a line. Yes, 10 assistants. Who will bail us out? Who will be bailing me? We want you will be bailing me. Ah, the story of the draw line. Yes, my draw line. How do you pick the line? Yes. Uh-huh. You measure. So, what did you use in drawing the line? You use your hand or what? Or your leg? I heard someone saying what? Use what? Ruler. So, can someone show us a ruler? Come. Okay, come forward and show us the ruler. That's perfect. Get him a ruler. Let him have a ruler. Yes, go to the back and get this way. Okay, so this is the ruler. And are you sure this is a ruler? Engineering. What is the work of this? To measure a line. Is that all for measuring? Yeah, the measure line is correct. What else? Mm-hmm. We can draw a line. You use that. You draw a line. It helps us to get a straight edge line. Line now draw. I'm not chance to win the line. Oh line. I should say it. I'm not chance. Okay. Today we are going to learn about geometry. If you speak of geometry, you are referring to angles. Say angles. 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 But before we be able to understand geometry and measurement very well, you just told me that we use the ruler in measuring. Yes, I would say ruler and measurement. And we are going to learn about geometry and measurement. And the geometry actually measuring angles. So this is my ruler. Therefore, we will say, okay. So this is the ruler. From today onwards, I hope you know the function and the use of a ruler. So if you come to the exams, I hope you need to write something from there. Mm-hmm. So I don't expect you to use any other thing in drawing your straight lines. And I also don't expect you to use anything apart from the ruler in measuring your lines. Is that clear? Yes. Are you sure? Okay. So geometry deals with angles and measurement. So we are going to measure angles, but we can't learn this topic without looking at the instrument in the mathematical sense. Hello? Are we here? Yes. So take a mathematical sense. Now we have seen a ruler. Now, so we just said that the ruler is used for drawing what lines. So it is used for drawing lines. And also we said for doing what? Measuring what? Lines. So for measure lines. Now, if you are going home, and let's say you told that you are going home, and I remember that you've left your school bag in the school, what do you think I will do? Yeah, boy, every friend of the car say, hi, you Jampana, you have left your school bag in the school. So as you descend through the meal, what do you think I will do? Then I will get somebody. Then I will get somebody. Yes. No, what do you think, sir? Me and me, I will do. What will I do? Are you sure? That's you. When the person is doing the person not here, the person is not going, yes. Okay. Or Saying the person is not gone, the person is good. I've seen the person moving. What do you, if it were to you, what will you do? Say what are you? Okay, I. You call the person back. Is that true? Because I can't carry your bag to the house. And I don't want to keep your bag in the office as well. So that you will be able to do your homework. So I would rather call the person back. Okay, so Melly come, listen, come. Let's demonstrate this. Yeah, listen, Dave. Listen, come stand here. So we have cruised and we are going home. So go. Our family said, oh yeah, oh yes, oh yeah. Oh, Debbie, oh yeah, you are some silent. She did something. And so she stopped and then what? It's one yeah, party. It's one who did you from? Yes, Isaac. She stopped and what? Then, you see, now, okay, sit down. She was going this way, and when I called, she stopped and turned. On your magician, really said any robot, but the moment she heard her name, and then I need to be going out. So, do you have anything to do to stress? And so, go and see her. So, Millicent turned to face me or to look at me, just to listen to the information, whatever I have to tell her. Now, I have told you now to measure the distance from where we are going to jump. Medicine, can you measure that? Can you measure that? You measure. Then the way you should. We can use our ruler, but say which we can use our measuring tape, say who are, and it's all forms of measurement. Now, what about where are medicine any type of container? Can you measure that one as well? Can you measure the distance? Can you measure the distance? Good. Who says here measure? But we can measure the angle of turning, we can measure the angle. Then we can also turning, we can measure the angle. So I want to direct attention when you are there. Left turn, what can you say? So let's say you are standing like this, and I tell you left turn, you will turn like this, you face like this, right? So we can measure the angle of rotation, how you've turned, how you've shifted yourself from this line to this line, and that's it. Geometry. Clap for yourselves. You see that whatever we do with mathematics, it is so practical. I think you will feel it is full of mathematics. Your seniors will tell you, say, I always say, science is life. Yes, most of the things we do is so practical. So mathematics and science, and driving our actions and our inactions, whatever we do in the house, and whatever we do as students or as humans. And then what instrument do you think you can use to measure the angle? Yes, what instrument? I've seen you doing something like this, like this, like this. Yes. I've always told you to be confident, have confidence in yourself. Because whenever I am marking your papers or the script, I thought that we need to try the correct answer. That is, people are trying correct answer, no one will back. But when you who said, that's what we came, that's what we came, that's what we came. No. But be confident. Oh, you will make sure that whatever you are putting on paper, whatever you are writing, is the correct thing. Hello, hello, and that's what you go. Okay, so instrument, look at the mathematical set. Instrument I going to edit and measure. Yes, I will help you. Yes, we use this one, but come for it. What's the name given to that one? Let's check if we will be able to figure it. Maybe yes. Is that the instrument we use in measuring angles? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Then, what is the name of the instrument? Okay, do you want to hire another? Yes, so, yeah, barrister, right now. Yeah, so the barrister? Yeah, barrister is the let's go, pam. Barrister is protractor, you class, protractor. Oh, let's come for them, let's come for them. Okay, sit down. Now, I want someone to spell protractor for us. Not for me, but for us. Spell protractor. And I was telling you there is no harm in trying. Someone tried to be there is no harm. I'm not going to punish you for that. Ah. My name is why Akuma, are you here? Are you with me? Okay, so also give you a try. So let's go. P O C is you rather. Okay, you have tried. Nice try. Yes, ahead. P R O T R A C C G R. Nice try, good try. Yes. P R O T R U, okay. C T E. It's O. Okay. O what? O R. Okay. Good try. Yes. Protractor. Protractor. Under the phonic reading method that I'm doing every morning, those in my class, I taught you the syllabic drill, how to pronounce or how to do the spellings. So it's protractor. If you can spell tractor, you know they are fixing the road from Aramco to this place. So they use the grader and the tractors on the road. So tractor, tractor. You want to do a try? Your name again? Yes. Oh, Bata, yes. P R O okay. Class. Which of these four spellings of protractor is correct? From phonics, we know they use them as U and A. We know, but it is pro, not pro factor, and it is not the U which sounds like an A actually used here. So no, good try, do. Protractor. This is the reason why normally whenever Nigerians pronounce their words, it is easy for you to spell and it is easy for you to also write. Nigeria will tell you it is protractor. Protractor. Instead of protractor. But you know, we were colonized by Britain, by the British. So we go by whatever they left for us. They colonized us into the umbrella form Carolina and how they do their pronunciation. And the protractor, the first one is correct. Now, in your note, write the use of the protractor. Okay, I'm going down in 10 seconds. So this is my protractor. Let me give you. That's some of the long. Yes, because I use mine on the board and you use yours in your exercise group. Good. I'm going down to inspect. Make sure your spelling is correct. Measure it. Make that one. Make that. And let's say I want to draw or construct the turning that Millicent turned. The person that draw, let me construct it. Senior. Millicent, yes, sir. The person that constructed the turn like this. Mary Abro. How am I going to do the construction? Yes, any assistance. Or I will just take my pencil or my pen. Then I'll see. Yes. I'll draw a turn. Or I will just use. Do you have the 50% square? I'm going to throw out the pen. No. Yes. We can use the compass for that. Oh, let's have for Bodo. We can use compass for that. Let's look at something. This is my compass. This is my compass. But let's look at this from a different perspective. So, the 9 air back one. It was said by a reference. Then move. A young unity. Unity and castle a compass. But rather, we can say because a two legs, it will say a pair of compass, your glass, Mantio, a pair of what? Compass. Now take your pair of compass and use it to draw Millicent's turning. Use your pair of compass to draw the turning that, yes. Two good answer. Great. Oh, with the master condition. Okay. let's maintain for today. I have 150 mathematical set, but the best mathematical set media, most of them the channel one serious, serious. And I'll take through my things and make sure say, this the ones I have here, will be. So please let's manage for today. If only two people with this number of students, I think it's okay. Then let's make sure to play a master in one time. Okay, thank you. So you start like this and make sure this doesn't move. It moves out and running. You know, when you go on the sweat, it's a really like but when it is slow pointed. To go to go the walk, move to the paper, the base down, it is to move. Then you bump it, you say how to be with time, I will teach you how to do that. Because I'll be giving you the measurement if you have two measurement. So you open, then you just draw an angle. Yeah, this is an angle. This is an angle. So this is a pair of compass. Pass. What do we use the compass for? I can see most of you are struggling. Now, if you take your mathematical set, you will see that you have to use pencils in it. Are you serious? Your back, anyone teacher, please. The short one or the shorter one is for the compass. Now, so what is the compass in this one? What can the pair of legs in woman? My pencil, when everyone say, then I keep two a minimum. So they are who give say, if you be able to draw, yes, sir. And one for it, good. So, what is the use of the compass? Class. The use of the compass. Compass and the Obaka, what was out the last Obaka, what was out the Nana is saying? Because when we were fixing the pencil, one man, manager can take a class saying, hello, what did? Who fix here? But yet, take a class saying, say, won't be one, eventually, I brought the cycle. Or you can draw the semicircle or the arc. Until wow, yeah. Yes, Solomon, King Solomon. Matthew, please, Obada, what's your car? Akuma. For drawing a cycle. Okay. So, are you sure? Then draw a cycle. I'm going to start. What can I aim? Wow. Okay. I have a lot of things to do. I've seen most of you draw your cycle like this, going this way, go this way, go the clockwise movement. Like this, you call it clockwise. Okay, let's continue. Then you also see So for drawing or constructing, angles, and as a person when you draw angle, now we are saying any circular. Hello, who draw circular? A shear circular. In math, the first say so for constructing arcs, good. Then we also have then a pair of divider. And whenever we draw straight line, I say a teacher line is to what? You use the divider, you take the measurement, then you use the divider in that, then you do the addition. We also have the 45-degree set square. And finally, we also have the 30 degrees or 60 degrees set square. In our next meeting, this is what we're going to learn. We are going to learn how to use the pair of compass in constructing angles. As a constructing angles. Constructing angles. And we are going to look at these two things in that topic. We call this the 45-degree set square because say measure how much 45 degrees. If you put on the measure and you do the measurement in your next meter, we measure more 45 degrees. And also we show we measure I have more 60, we measure more 30 degrees. So that's how it is. And so we are going to use this one instead of this one and the protractor to construct 30 degrees, to construct 60 degrees, to construct 45 degrees, to construct 90 degrees. Today in our lesson, we have learned about the meaning of geometry and the meaning of measurement. We have also taken our time through the instruments found in the mathematical sense, including their usage, what they are being used for. And you have learned about how to construct or draw a straight line using the ruler. And then there's an issue about all these instruments and the importance of geometry and the measurement and how we always turn in a particular angle as well. We have learned a lot of things today. In one word, Hello. Hello. Yes. Rahila, what have we learned today? Just one thing I learned this year. The use of ruler. And what is the use of ruler? It's used for drawing lines. For drawing lines. Clap for it. Yes, Solomon, give me one. What you've learned today? Then I will take Obama and then Baba and then off we go. Off we go. Yes, Solomon. Patrick, can you hear Solomon? What's it? Obata, what is Solomon? Okay, he said he's also learned about how to draw or construct a circle. Good, give it to him. Clap for him. Okay, one girl, to tell us what she has learned. Yes, Obakro. Did I mention it? See. Akuma, are you here with us? Yes. Can you please tell the entire class, the whole class, what you've learned about geometry and the measurement? And then Akuma will see. Oh, feel free for to speak, you know. We learned how to draw a line, and which of the instruments is used in drawing a line? Ruler, that for it. Then we take our final submission from Honorable Abui. Oh, let's have Abui.
I learned about constructing angles.
Constructing angles. And which of the angles can you construct? Yeah, protractor is an instrument for measuring angles. Hello. So, I think the person is smart. Yes, because he said me constructing angle, and let me any protractor and alcohol. Say angle is very also there. Now, my drum angle you see. It's going to be like this. Not nonsense. I'll do this. So from 0 to say 70 degrees. And you see. Then also I'll take my ruler and just yes, then this is the angle. No, that's why we can say in our next meeting we are not going to use this, but we are going to use the pair of compass to construct 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and the rest. Now, as a mathematics enthusiast, this is what I do. Say the more work and I say more bill say who you should present maybe. And a math teacher be a any. All math examiners only. So who you should put compass now, the pair of compass now, we will know. And the next in our next meeting, remember you sign them up. So that you be a student because we be use the inside better. So you should project our better, but you should compass now, you know, and I will teach you that. I don't know. Yes, thank you very much. You've tried. Let's come for you. Let's go. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Are you sure?
Yes.
Another for front doors or no front doors. And then the next meeting, we have for hey, say. Okay, so we'll bring today's lesson to a close. And I hope as you go home, you are going to practice some of these things that actually Thank you very much and have a nice day.